Sir, in this video, I want to explain a bit more realistic example, more funny example, how to use predicate. Sir, best example, almost all the people who are seeing this video, the people who are learning, mostly either software engineers or upcoming software engineers. Sir, what's our job? Monday to Friday, full coding, meetings, deadlines and so on. Saturday, Sunday, full enjoy. Are you getting that? Full enjoy with bottle, pub, all these things for software engineer, part of the life, most of the times. Now assume that, sir, if I want to go for pub, just one time I went to the pub, then immediately pub person, the main gatekeeper, objected me. Oh, if you want to enter into the pub, compulsory you should have girlfriend. Are you getting? Without a partner, you are not allowed inside. Then automatically I requested. There is no use. Then I came back. Okay? Next time whenever I will go, compulsory I should go with my girlfriend. It's a mandatory, right? Sir, it's a very common for most of the pubs. Assume that I want to check whether this software engineer is allowed into the pub or not. Are you getting? I want to check. For that I want to use predicate concept. Are you getting? Only two conditions I want to check. If I can give software engineer object as the argument. I am giving which objects are? Software engineer object as argument. Yes, my predicate is going to check whether this age greater than or equal to 18 years or not, greater than or equal to 18 years or not, and this person having girlfriend or not. Okay, sir, if these two conditions are satisfied, then only this person allowed into the pub. Correct or not? So for this conditional check, I want to use predicate. Okay, let me convert this total thing into executable program. First step, I have to write software engineer class with the required parameters, and then I will create an array of software engineer objects and I will apply predicate. Now the list of members who are allowed into the pub I want to display. Clear, right? Okay, let me write software engineer class. Observe that. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. I am taking class software engineer. Just take a bit very special care, sir. Class software engineer. Every software engineer, I want to maintain three properties. One is name, sir. One is name, next and after that. Second one, sir, age. Because for this requirement, age is also must be required. Third one, sir, is having girlfriend or not. Are you getting? Is having girlfriend or not? Look at this is. Sir, this argument is what data types are? Boolean type. Remember, Boolean is having girlfriend or not. Are you getting? Girlfriend or not? Like total how many properties are there? Three properties, right? Let me create constructor. Okay, software engineer. Okay, string name int age, boolean is having girlfriend or not. Are you getting? Boolean is having girlfriend or not? Yes. Can you please guide, sir? This is the constructor. This dot name is equal to name. This dot name is equal to name. This dot age is equal to age, sir. Next, this dot is having girlfriend or not. Are you getting? Is having girlfriend or not is equal to is having girlfriend. I will pass the argument, no problem at all, sir. That's all. So with this constructor, you can create n number of software engineer objects. Of course, that is our next job I will discuss. Next and after that, whenever we are trying to print the software engineer object, internally which method will be called? ToString method. In the last examples also I covered already. Let me override ToString method. Public string ToString method. Public string ToString method. Return just a name just a name, that's all. That thing is enough, sir. Are you getting? So class software engineer having three properties. This is the constructor and this is the toString method. Whenever we are trying to print any software engineer object, just it has to print what? Name. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, if you feel comfortable, let me create, sir, an array of software engineer objects with these parameters, and I want to write a predicate. Sir, how I can use that predicate for these software engineer objects? I will explain. Clear up to this, right? Now, up to this we covered software engineer class, how you can write. Now observe that I created an array of software engineer objects. Software engineer array list is equal to, sir, I am creating almost 5 software engineer objects. Sir, first software engineer Durga 60 false. Are you getting? First parameter is name, second parameter age, and the third parameter is having girlfriend or not. Sir, my age is 60 and I am not having girlfriend. Okay, assume. Second one, sir, new Sunil under 25 true, sir. Are you getting? 25 true. Is age 25 having the girlfriend. Next, a new software engineer Sayan 26 true. Okay, Sayan. Next, Sayan Banerjee 26 true. All these people are my online students. Okay, like a new software engineer Subbu 28 false. New software engineer Ravi 19 true. Are you getting? Sir, there are some list of some software engineer objects array is there, sir. Now I want to check, sir, which software engineers are allowed into the pub. Okay, to check that I want to write a predicate. Are you getting? Sir, what condition you require to check? If I give software engineer object as the argument, now my predicate has to check whether age greater than or equal to 18 years or not, and whether this person having girlfriend or not. If both conditions are satisfied, then only allowed into the pub. Are you getting? Now let me check. Let me write a predicate to check both conditions, right? Predicate of this predicate is going to take which one as the argument, sir? Software engineer as argument. Are you getting? This predicate is going to take which one as the argument? Software engineer object as the argument, type parameter, right? Sir, allowed is equal to, just I am giving the allowed is the reference variable. Allowed is equal to, if I can give software engineer object as the argument, what condition I have to check, sir? Software engineer age should be greater than or equal to 18, greater than or equal to 18, and the software engineer, okay, is having girlfriend, is having girlfriend should be true, sir. Are you getting? Should be true. So if I can give software engineer object as the argument, what this predicate is going to check? Compulsory his age should be greater than or equal to 18, and this person should have, okay, are you getting that? Girlfriend. So to check this one, I wrote a predicate. Now here observe, for each software engineer object SE in list. For each software engineer object SE in this list, if okay, allowed is nothing but predicate, sir. Allowed is the predicate reference variable. Allowed dot test of this SE. Okay, I am passing the software engineer the argument to test the method of this predicate. If this one returns true, then automatically this software engineer is allowed into the pub. Are you getting? This software engineer allowed into the pub. Okay, just print that. Sir, whenever we are trying to print software engineer object, toString method will be called. In what way I override toString method? Return name. Then automatically which persons are allowed. Okay, the all software engineer names by default we are going to get. Are you able to understand, right? So in this example, whether the software engineer is allowed into the pub or not, to perform that conditional checking, just use the predicate concept. Okay, same example, let me execute so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Just observe that a bit carefully. Same example, here I have a look once. Have a look once. Sir, I'm taking import java.util.function.predicate class software engineer. These are the three parameters what we have. Sir, software engineer, these are the three variable. This dot name, this dot age, this dot is having girlfriend or not. This is the two string method, right? Just the return name. Okay, now test class main method. It is the software engineer. Sir, first software, second, third, fourth, 5. Sir, total how many software engineers are there, sir? 5 software engineers are there. Okay, just I'm checking. Sir, have you observed predicate? Predicate of software engineer allowed is equal to, if I can give SE, if I can give SE, SE dot age greater than or equal to 18, SE dot is having girlfriend or not. This is the, sir, 2. This is the condition what I'm going to check, sir. Now, sir, the allowed members into the pub are getting the allowed members into the pub are, sir, for every software engineer present in this list, can you please apply, can you please test that predicate? If that predicate returns true, then automatically SOP of SE. Sir, now, can you please tell which software engineers having the girlfriend age greater than or equal to 18 years? Can you please tell? Sir, first person not satisfied because not having the girlfriend, but second person yes satisfied about predicate age within the range and having the girlfriend. Third person is also age within the limit and then having the girlfriend, but fourth person no, sir, just for this person no chance because not having the girlfriend. Assume that this person, sir, this person is also, sir, age is the 17 years only, this person is also, even though having the girlfriend, but 17 years only, not allowed into the pub. Sir, according to our logic, can you please tell which members are allowed, sir? Only these two members are allowed into the pub. Are you getting that? Only these two members are allowed into the pub. Now, let me execute this code, sir. Here, have a look once. The code compiles fine. What is the output? By default you are going to get, sir, the allowed members into the pub are Sunil and Sayan. Only these two members are allowed into the pub. I hope you people can able to understand, right? Sir, it's very clear for you people. Wherever conditional checks are there, happily we have to use predicate concept. Now you are habitizing to use lambda expressions and predicate in our day-to-day coding. Clear, right? That's all.